Good morning, peeps. Welcome back to the vlog. So I gotta do a bunch of errands today, and I thought I'd take this time to talk to you guys about my whole 1 year experience on YouTube. I know I'm still fairly new, and there's still a lot of things I'm still learning, but yeah, I just want to get to pretty much the process of this whole year. How hard it's been, was it easy to upload, was it easy to edit, how hard was it to film in public, just coming up with ideas for YouTubes and stuff like that. And I just want to share it with you guys. But yeah, since I got to be running errands all day, might as well share it with you guys. Let's get a cold start. I haven't cold start this car in a while. I should bring it to the back, right? Nah, let's cold start. It's been about I say a week since I drove the Evo. But yeah. So we wait for the vehicle to warm up, but let's get into it. First, like I said, it took me a whole year to even think about doing YouTube, because at the time I don't even have the car. I was just saving up for mods for the car. So when you look at my videos, you see all these mods coming real quick. It's because I already saved a year in advance before I even got the car to put the mods on. So because I was planning to do YouTube, I wanted to, one, get a car that I wanted since I was small, and two, to hook it up the way I want it. And I don't want no lag, a long lag time in between. So in order to do that, I have to check my finance, save the money that I want, make sure which mod I want. But for the mod I want, I changed my mind a lot. But yeah, I changed my mind a lot on the mods. It's alright, it comes with the process. You live and you learn. There's certain things that I like with the car, certain things I didn't. I wish I could have changed at the beginning. Just like the kit, I wish I would have went straight for the Veris kit instead of getting the lip, side skirt, and stuff like that. But it's alright. Give me some more content and everything. As far as recording, I was really nervous. I was really nervous in front of the camera. It's actually really hard to even hold the camera up like this. Just hold it up to the angle like this and talk to you guys. And then other people just driving by, beeping at you, or they're just looking at you all weird. Hey, what's this guy doing? Oh, look at that, I want to be a YouTuber or something. But it took a little bit to get past that, and I think I did pretty well. I think I'm a lot more confident, looking at the camera than I usually am. Yeah, so yeah, like I said, picking up the camera is hard. Actually, just figuring out what camera it is was hard, because there's so many cameras out there. Figuring out what program to use to upload, how YouTube uploading work, and what kind of schedule I should go on YouTube. That was pretty hard, I'd say. Pretty hard. As far as the camera goes, like I said, it took me a while to figure out the camera. There was actually one YouTuber that I watch a bunch of car YouTubers, but I was more related to this other YouTuber who's I guess he's a lot older, more older style like I am, and his knowledge is definitely a lot better than my knowledge is, and he's been doing it for a lot longer. So I look at his channel, which is named AutoVlog. I know a lot of you guys probably seen his channel, but yeah, he told he uses, so in the description, I look at the description, what he put down there. He used Final Cut Pro as an editor, and he used the Sony A6400, which is the same camera I have right now. The only issue at the time is the 6400, I didn't have enough money to buy the well, I did have enough money to buy the 6400, but I didn't really want to spend that much on a camera like that. So I went with a downgrade version, which was the A6000, and I said, throughout the year, I learned a lot about that camera. It's way better at taking pictures than it is vlogging. The lens I got was just a basic lens, and it was not like this one. This is like a wide angle lens, and it was a lot of shaking. It was definitely a lot of this when I was talking. So, but for this camera here, I upgraded, and it's a 6400, and it works really good. So that it works really good, and it doesn't shake as often. And this wide angle lens is just right now the camera is really close to me, and it just it just feels really good. I can actually see a broader view, and when I'm vlogging, it's a lot easier. It has an internal stabilizer, which helps me a lot. Less shaking. It still shake, but it's just a lot less shaking. But that's what I could afford right now, and I have no issue with this camera. like YouTube is just a big experience, you know, just learning all kinds of stuff, you know, even the editing. I am horrible at editing. I'm still not good at editing, but you know, you keep doing it day by day. There's little things you learn here and there, but you know, I feel like my video is just quality is getting a little bit better, you know, definitely a lot better than my first videos. But yeah, you know, it's a fun experience, you know, I'm really having fun with it. And vlogging is not so bad, you know, it is not bad at all. Upload on YouTube consistently throughout the whole year, now that was hard. It was a hard task. At first I was trying to upload every 3 days on YouTube, but eventually once March hit, you know, COVID, you know, just pretty much ruined my whole 2020. I probably ruined a lot of people's 2020, but for vlogging wise, it definitely ruined it. I was not able to vlog consistently every 3 days. So I was going consistently back and forth about doing it a week, once a week, and then 2 a week. I think I did one for one point in one point of the year. It took me 3 weeks to upload one video. It wasn't until like May until I start frequently back uploading again. I think to June, July, that's when I start doing to now video every 3 days. But yeah, it was a lot harder to make content or think of content with COVID, especially if you're not going outside into your car. And I was just trying to think about different ways to do it, but I just couldn't. It was just a lot of stuff we had to do as a family. We couldn't go outside, you know, stay safe. I got my parents at the house, and you know, I just don't want, you know, to take that risk. But eventually, you know, I was starting going out more, but it was not of like a bigger gathering. I went to Cars and Coffee, but you know, I was trying to stay more distance away from people. But yeah, this year was really rough on uploading, especially, you know, trying to get content, trying to upload every 3 days. It was just really rough. It was. Coming up with content wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. I was like, oh man, I got to upload every 3 days. I got to think about something. But you know, as soon as you start working on your car or doing things to your car, something else pop up. You know, somebody needs help, or you want to hang out with your friend, you can vlog that. Go to Cars and Coffee, you can vlog that. You know, you just get practice on the vlog, you know, and then sometimes, you know, you do install on a car, you learn some new install on other vehicles. It just, you know, the videos just add up and up. You know, it's not hard to come up with an idea for the video. It's just hard during COVID to actually go outside to do the video. So yeah, as far as uploading consistently, it wasn't as hard for me. I think it was harder for me to, you know, talk at the camera, like right now, talking into the camera, and editing, really. As far as how I feel about YouTube this past year, and you know, gaining subscribers or anything like that, you know, I feel perfectly fine. You know, I see a lot of channels. I do look through a lot of channels. A lot of channels start later than me or the same time as me and has like, you know, 30 times more subscribers. It really don't bother me too much, because I mean, I look at their content, I was like, man, this guy's pretty good, you know. So you know, it's just you know, I just want to experience it. The main goal for this YouTube channel is definitely for me to look back in about, you know, 5-10 years, even 20 years down the road, and look at YouTube. Hopefully YouTube's still there. If not, I still have all of my videos saved on my hard drive, to see, you know, what I did, you know, because when I was younger, I really don't take a lot of pictures. And even when my time in the Marine Corps, I rarely take pictures. I maybe have a few photos, not even an album. I don't record anything, you know. During the time I grew up, you know, everything started, you know, changing, you know, like you got MySpace, then you got, you know, Facebook, and then you know, your phones start getting crazy, you know. You know, I used to have the old flip phones, even the beepers back in the day, but you know, a lot has changed, and you know, it took a little longer to grow up with technology. So I really didn't record, didn't take pictures, and you know, and I want the next 30 years of my life to, I want to record a lot. I really want to record a lot. I really want to look back when I'm older with my wife, you know, with my kids, like, oh, look at your dad. Your dad was, you know, recording himself. Look at his car. You know, it changed so much. That's pretty much the main reason I'm doing YouTube. I love having subscribers, don't get me wrong, you know, everybody, thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. You know, I know if you pay attention to my videos, I don't ask for subscribers. I know you're supposed to do that, you know, I tell people to, you know, subscribe, click the notifications like that. I think I did it once, but other than that, I rarely do it because I really want people to watch my content, you know, to actually like my content, to actually like me as a person, or actually like my vehicle. I don't want to gain like thousands of subscribers and only like maybe 5%, 1% of that watch my videos. I don't want that. I'd rather have like 300 subscribers and all 300 actually watch my videos. You know, it means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. It means like, you know, it keeps me going. You know, every day I wake up, I see a comment or I see a subscriber, I'm like, oh, goddamn, he subscribed to me. That's awesome. So I try to comment right away back. I don't know if in the future, you know, maybe I gain more subscribers. It'd probably be harder for me to comment to everybody, but I really want to continue that. I really want to try to get back to as much people as I can, reach out to much people as I can, and, you know, just continue to build on this car. I mean, I think I said I'm almost done with the car, but can you actually really be done with a car? You know, like, there's also so many different mods, so many different modification for the car. It's endless. It's really endless. It's you know, it just depends on how much money you want to put into the car. You know, the more money you put in the car, the more it could change. That's, you know, basically how much you really willing to spend on your car. You know, for me, I have to budget a lot. I have to talk to my wife. I think I'm at the point where for my mods, I have to wait now because my budget is all pretty much gone the whole summer. Pretty much gone. I'd spend the whole year worth of budget gone. It just add up so quick. Yeah, really add up quick. I'm definitely making a video. It's how much I totally spent on the Evo, and it probably shock you. I'm not even sure if I want to do it, because that might be a bad thing. Yeah, I might do it. I might do it. I might not do it. All depends. But yeah, so, you know, I'm just really having fun with YouTube, and I thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching my content. I just really appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, like I said, this whole year YouTube has been a really fun experience. I learned how to vlog. I learned how to edit. I learned, you know, to frequently upload, you know, what content. I write a lot of content down, which one I should do, which order, and I learned a lot about my car. You know, I learned how to wrap. I learned how to install a lot of stuff. Thank you, Kiet. You know, and I hung out with a lot of my friends. You know, I hung out with Squirrel a lot more, and, you know, it was a great, you know, I found Dan. You know, we found Jason, Tim. You know, I found a lot of people, just a lot of cool people, cool older folks that just love their car, you know, and we help each other out a lot. Actually, I get a lot more help, but yeah, man, it's just a really fun experience, and yeah, I do enjoy it, and I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. I don't think I'll try to. I don't think I'll stop. Yeah, I really don't. Even if I stop, I just slow down the upload. Depends on how busy my schedule coming up is, but I don't think I'll stop the YouTube upload. You know, as long as I still have my car, as long as I'm still here, I'll still continue to upload, even if I don't have thousands of subscribers. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Like, you know, I care about my subscribers, but at the same time, I really don't care about the number of subscribers. I just care about how many people watch it, and are they, you know, do they like it? You know, I love the feedback. I get a lot of, you know, good feedback, a lot of criticism. Actually, I shouldn't call it criticism. A lot of corrected. How should I say? A lot of you know, a lot of suggestions, you know, a lot of things. I learn a lot from the comments. Get me wrong, like, I'm not the smartest person in the world. I learn a lot from you guys, and I'm still learning. Like I said, the car scene changed so much. A lot of things with the car changed so much. I used to do a lot of dumb things to my car, and now I'm actually doing it like the right way. So to me, consider the right way. But yeah, there's definitely a lot more things to go, and I'm excited to show you guys it. You know, just pretty excited to show you guys it. But anyways, I'm running a couple errands. I'm actually at the eating center right now, right here. I don't know if you guys see it too well, but if you actually in Virginia, Northern Virginia, and you've never been to eating center, that's not good. You need to go to eating center because it has really good Vietnamese food at Rice Paper. It has good tofu at the Tan Sung Tu Food over here. Good bubble tea, good pho. Actually, pho, if you go eat pho, you should go to Pho 75, which is down 50 over there. They got the best pho. And even the markets. I love going to the market here. I like to go to Lotte and H Mart, but, you know, Good Fortune's pretty good. But anyways, off topic. running errands for the wife. I think it was my nephew's birthday. No, I think my nephew's birthday was yesterday, so today I'm just gonna buy some stuff and we're gonna have a little Korean barbecue at the house. But yeah, thank you for tuning into the vlog, peeps, and you know, I hope you enjoyed. Hope you continue to watch the channel and everything. You know, just give me some feedback. You know, I love reading comments. I love, you know, interacting with you guys. It just, you know, it just makes me, you know, it just makes me confident, or a little bit more confident, and move, and I just want to make more. It makes me want to make more video. That's what I'm just trying to say. But anyways, thanks for tuning into this vlog, and I'll see you next time.